Hi, my name is Lilian Mezquida, and I have another recipe for you. I just want to let you know that I work for Texas A&M Life Extension Service, and I want to share a very healthy recipe dessert for you. Today we're going to have a very few ingredients that we're going to use. The first, we're going to use half a cup of cocoa powder and a pinch of salt, a can of black beans. You need to wash and rinse, and 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil or canola oil, whatever you prefer, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of chocolate chips, semi-sweet, half a cup of sugar. You can use stevia, you can use honey, you can use Splenda, whatever is your preference, and 3 eggs. And then you need to also grease a little bit a baking dish, and then you need to preheat your oven at 375 degrees, and then you add all the ingredients on the blender except the chocolate chips, and we blend till it's smooth. And I'm gonna show you, I'm already did it so I can save some time as well. And then when it's done, you just put the mix on the baking dish, and we're gonna make 16 servings with this one. So it's gonna be very healthy, very simple to make, and you put it in the oven for 30 minutes and wait till you see the top is getting dry and the sides are getting away from the baking dish. So only for 30 minutes. Okay, now I'm gonna add the chocolate chips. You can add, if you want, pecans or something else that you like. This is something that you know you can own and change some ingredients. Depends on what you like. And you're gonna get 16 portions from this size. Then when you are done with the chocolate chips, you put it on the oven, preheat it for 30 minutes, remember? And I'm going to show you what is done, the way it's going to look when it's done. See? This is the way it's going to look. And you get 16 pieces from this dish. And then you can enjoy it with a little coffee. A cup of coffee, or whatever you want. There. And here is your black bean brownie. I hope you like it. It's very simple to make, and enjoy it. Bye.